Okay, all the liquids is in. Can we see the dump? Yes, here you go asking what's the pregnant people problems. Hey, BBB Squeeze. BBB Squeeze, make sure you let them know you got colorful powder available in this tea. Hey, welcome in. BBB Squeeze, thank you so much for my sponges. I appreciate it so much. Y'all are far too kind. What the fuck? Yes, you know we're gonna drag that until you drop that baby. So just get over it. Okay? We're gonna drag it until you drop that baby. Every time. If we sell out the next combo, can we just do it tonight? I will have to get back on after I go get me some. One more tonight after I get back home. Y'all want to do that? We gotta get rid of these last 3 Lesties first. We still got 3 more Lesties to go in here. Hold on, I can't see the comments. This is about to be the grand finale right here for this envelope. Where is Puffy and where is Ja? I need Ja with her notepad. Somebody go get her. Somebody go get the lady with the notepad. Is that all the powder? Let's check for the puzzle. I said somebody go get the lady with the notepad. We're going explosive with the bombs. Let's go. Let me make sure this is all of the cans. All of the aroma went in. Here go one more. Yeah, it's 32 for the last less oils. If you send for the less oils, I'm gonna pour it on top of this powder. That's gonna be tea. Mind you, I don't see this heifer promoting her tax business in nobody live, but she gonna bring her ass over here. You know, people just be really trying to steal your joy because you having a good time. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this. This was so fun. I need you. You was not here to take notes, ma'am. Where was your antennas? You is lacking on your job. You need to hire some employees. Yeah, it seemed like a setup. Like, why would you come? You know what? Anyway, okay. Y'all ready for the squeeze? I just, you know what? I'm trying to be Demir Sammy in 2026. Devils, get up off me. Devils, get up off me. Devils, get up off me. Devils. Can I get home first? Damn, well, I didn't know you was out. Damn. You need to hire some employees around this motherfucker. Get this shit in line. Sevy be reading and talk shit. She just can't never hold it. I can't. I'm sorry. God didn't give me that gift. God did not give me that gift, baby. Did somebody send for the less oil Nestle? If not, I'm finna squeeze. I snatched her from Charlie Live. Yes, it's Roma and cans. Man, B, you gotta call me when I get off, bruh. You gotta call me as soon as I get off. Because this go crazy. I'm surprised she ain't came back on the pig paste page. No. Okay, B, you can't call me when I get off. Never mind. Who muted y'all? I don't know. I'm screaming. Oh, that's Rachel. I'm screaming. Y'all funny. Dang, this stuff's splattering everywhere. You think everybody white is Sky? No. That means I would be Sky. I'm white. Well, partially. Thank you, Stank. And thank you so much for sending. I'm glad you're enjoying. Oh, Lord. How much is the lemon Lysol? They already been sent for. Only thing I got left for this combo is 3 less oils. On your mama or daddy's side, Sammy? I'm white on my mama's side. So technically I'm black. Can y'all get the hostile? Can y'all get the last oil so we can have a hostage? I'm screaming. I gotta show y'all the other 2 overloads we doing. They're tea. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, all we had left was less oil. Less oil done got high. I'm going back to my store that got less oil for $8. Baby, them big bottles, they taxing. At this point, while we calling, we could just go to Puff and Live. Yeah, less oil went up more than $1 down here. Less oil went up almost $2. Yeah, the little ones are $6.99. I got the big ones. Nobody got their tax return yet? I didn't. I ain't even filed mine yet. Nobody with kids getting a return till Wednesday. Period. Yeah, I ain't got that far in life yet. Y'all too grown for me. I ain't even filed yet. This was good. It's full. I'm not in a rush. I know that's right. I already filed late. Yeah, I always file late too. Okay, I'm just a girl. Taxes don't stress me out there because I send my info to my tax man and he runs the numbers, baby. And that be that. That be that on that. I don't have to do nothing. All I have to send him is my W-2s and he take it from there. I've been following him for years, though. This paste came out perfect. I'm trying to get it good and smooth. I'm so glad it's a loose paste today and not cement. I don't foul myself. I let my tax man do it. Oh girl, I'll be mad if I owed. Oh, you meant on the internet? Oh, okay. I know I'm not gonna let my sponges sit in here in this bleach. Not nobody you met on the internet. Lord, these spots is tearing me up. Yeah, my wrists are fine. The bleach gel don't bother me. It's not as potent as the liquid gel. I mean the liquid bleach. That's why you gotta go with somebody you trust. I trust my tax person. I don't even play like that. And you really gotta trust them because they be having your kids' socials and some old shit. My mama do my taxes. You ain't wrong, friend. It is. It came out so good. Thank you, everybody, for sending and contributing to this overload. She was very much tea. Do y'all want to see the up-and-coming combos? 2 of my shelves is clear because it had the stuff from this combo. But I can show y'all what I got in mind for after this. Okay, period. And I guess we'll have them 3 lesties for another day. Okay. My old tax lady doing what? I don't know what they say. Let me get over here on my other phone where I can see. My old tax lady.